It's Lee's birthday episode.
Okay, start again.
And I want to start by giving him a present.
It's on a video.
So I'm just laughing at you, that camera on your head.
You gave us a van full of products.
Yeah.
After everyone had got
And a free
After all this, I've got no, what do you call it?
style, charisma.
No,
They didn't give us a certificate.
No, there's a free bar.
just an knocking shop here, isn't it, mate? Knocking shop.
When we were at the Aston Villa ground doing that, free bar. When we were at Chester Races doing that.
Free bar.
You said you wanted to go to a knocking shop, didn't you?
That particular training centre bought the beers all night.
Free bar.
Free bar.
Fuck up. Just really put that on my head.
Lewis will call golf to a sponsors day. Free bar.
I am actually bleeding all night.
Westex.
Westex 100% free
Has
bar.
a free bar.
Harrogate, the first year we did that. Free bar.
I was waving at you.
Hey, don't check the video about you definitely
Look at that, come on.
Every single NICF council meeting we went to,
That was never
not
a free bar.
So basically guys, if you want us involved in any of your projects, just offer us a free bar, we'll be there.